fire in a makeup. Bush red food, yellow than hiccup. Yeah, that's a tea time.
Hi guys, welcome. I'm here in the farm. It's another hard working morning down here in St. Elizabeth in the Thyme garden. Yes man, it's a reaping morning for me. Look here, when we sow we must reap. So I have this section of thyme here and I will leave it to and it's me and my son here. Say hi Gio. Yes. So I have this section of thyme here, right? So it look like a lot, and I decided that I'm gonna sell some this morning. I don't like to waste. I don't like nothing to waste when I farm. So I get a little sale this morning, and here I cut some already right here. You can see it. I cut some here, and I'm telling you the thyme is just looking so lovely. It's looking so lovely. I'm telling you. Look at this head. I'm telling you, this head, 1 pound. Oh my gosh. 1 pound. It hardly can hold it in my one hand. Oh my God. Jesus. Look at it. Mm-mm. Look at it. Look at it, guys. I hardly can hold it in my one hand. It is so big. Yes. You see, when we plant, we can reap lovely and beautiful things. Wow, I feel so good. So, it's me and my son this morning. So, he's gonna help me this morning. So I want to show you guys how I really pack it. So this is the bag that I packed 10 pound of thyme this morning into it, right? So look at down there, I already have some that I cut already. So I'm gonna pack it in. So how we pack it? Because we plant it with grass, so we have to get out the grass, right? We have to get out the grass out of it. Make sure we dust it off like this, and then we're gonna pack it in the bag. Right, we're gonna make sure we thyme clean so that when the buyer get it, you don't have no problem with the thyme. Clean, fresh and nice. Oh mighty, wow. One thing I love thyme. Smells so good. Look. So this is how I do it. We pack it in like this. This. Yes, my baby. So we pack it in like this. Right? See it? We get out the trash and dirt and we pack it in. Because we have a certain way that we pack it in the bag. We make sure the top of the thyme is always up, right? So this is how we do it. Always up. Thank you, baby. Yes. I know that this little boy is going to be such a great help to me. God's will. Yes, man. Start helping mommy already. Yes. So this is how we do it. Hold on, baby. So this is how we pack it up. I cut a lot already, you know. Yes, man. And when we pack it in the bag, sometimes we cut up the bag because we don't want the heat. They don't want the heat to do the time anything. So sometimes we cut it up, cut up the bag, and we sprinkle some much water though, so that it keep green and fresh and nice. So when the seller, when the person who's buying it get it, it's fresh and green and nice, just like this. Right, so we don't pack it anyhow, we put it a certain way. See, look at this. Right, see it? So in everything you have a way that you do it the right way. I'm telling you, my time look good. I really like how they look. I'm telling you, look at it. They really looks good. Yes, man, they really look good. Yes. Hold on, baby. Good. Yes, my baby wanna help me already. Thank you, baby. Yes, man. So I have to make money on this land here. We have to make money because money is in farming. So me wake up this morning and I could be able to come and cut some time and make a little money. Although I want to expand it, but I have as much can do it, so I make my money. Making my money. Yes, man. So you see, farming is a good a little side job too. You know, you have, because what I realize that we have to try our best to invest in a lot of things, so that we have money coming in all different directions to help us to survive comfortable, right? And as I said, ladies, there is no limitation, and guess what? Anything we can do to help the men, man, help them to make things much easier. Ladies, we must do it, man. We can do it. We have the ability to work, and we have the mind to do it. Look at the little baby here, 2-year-old, and he's willing to help me. That means there is no limitation to us of what we can do. And you know, so this feels very heavy. Oh my God, look at it. This feel like me past 10 pounds, you know. Oh my, I didn't bring the scale. It feel like it feels so heavy. Whoa, I wonder. I forgot to bring my scale, guys. Yes. But anyway, if, oh gosh, hold on, Jay. I have to pick out this drill. Yeah, I have to pick it out. Yes, guys, look at this. I cut this in about 5 minutes. And pack it in 5 minutes. I think I'm okay. Yes. So I use 5 minutes to cut it and 5 minutes to pack it up. Yes. So you see, this is a good side job. So guys, I went for the scale, right? So now I'm going to wait and let us see how much it weighs, alright? Let us see how much this time weighs, because it feels so heavy. Alright, let us make sure that the scale is 0 and let us wait, right? Oh wow, it don't reach 10, but it's at 8 pounds. So I need 2 more pounds, maybe 2.5, because I give them a little on it, right? And this I would get about $5,000 for this. £10 a time. I believe it's $500 a pound. Not so sure, but I believe that's the price. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the £2. I'm gonna turn it and let you see when I'm cutting the £2. I'm gonna cut it right over here. Right? Let you see it. So I'm gonna cut £2 of thyme. Okay, guys. So let me get my machine. Come, baby, leave it. So, yes, I want 2 more pounds. £2. £2 I need. Yes.
Yeah.
2 more pounds. Yo. So guys, I know I reach it, and I know that this person that is buying this time is gonna get more than what he wants. Yes, because I believe I cut about £3 or £3.5. Wait, Drew. Yes. So you see, I think I cut about £3. Right? So, ooh, wait. Gio, look how I do it. Look how I do it, baby. Look. Look at it. Look how I do it, Gio. I take out the grass like this. I shake it off before I put it in the bag. Alright, so here we go, guys. I'm gonna try to get, well, Andrea, I'm gonna try to get these in the bag to reach my £10, and I am finished. Hold on. See it? You have to pack it neatly in the bag. Right? Hold on, baby. Go for some more over there for me. Carry it, come. You love work. You love to work. Yes. Look at the 2-year-old. I'm telling you. He loves to work, loves to help. Yes, my baby. What? So you see, he's going for it for me. I don't believe I have to go back there anymore. He will bring them to me. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, my baby boy. Right, so I'm putting it in these, guys. Thank you, baby. Alright. Yes. So you see, even my little boy helped me already. Carry enough, come, enough. So, yes, man, it's heavy. It's heavy. So while he's carrying it to me, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut up the bag, because I don't know what time he will be coming for it, and I want to keep it nice. You understand? I want to keep the time real nice. So I'm gonna cut up the bag so that it gets here. You can't tell me say my time spoil on him or anything like that. So make sure I cut it up. Whoops, thank you, baby. Gosh. You see? Boy, Oh, it's so good to have your children. Yes, look at that. Eh? Boy, help me already. Oh my God, it's a blessing. Daddy is not here to help me. But guess what? Baby is here. Look at it. So this is what? 10 pounds. Oh my God, thank you so much, baby. You finished now? Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you, baby. Right? So, I'm finished, guys. Me and my little boy work together to get $5,000. Right? Hold it, Gio. So what I'm going to do, good morning. All right. Me and him working together. That's what I'm saying, if you get him pay. So what I'm doing, guys, I am wetting up. Keep wet, just put a little, because some of the buyers, they don't love it for it to get wet, because they will believe that you're trying to make the weight, make up the weight, because water give the thyme weight. But I'm just giving it a little, because there's a little buckle, so that it keeps nice and fresh, right? So I'm ensure that it get down to the bottom. And then I'm gonna put it somewhere cool until the person who's buying it come for it. So we are finished, Gio.
Yeah.
We are finished, right? So thank you so much, baby. Finished, baby, finished. Yes, so see it here, guys. 10 pounds a time. I have done it, me and Giovanni, and we bless the Lord. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please remember to like up this video, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, if you want to learn more and you want to get your hands dirty. Yes, and also share this video with somebody. God richly bless you.